Wake up, samurai. We have a city to burn.
Full body VR is so easy in 2024. Especially if you own a Quest or a Pico headset. This new HaritoraX wireless full body kit is so good. And you can actually buy it in Europe and America. It took only 2 days for my set to arrive. The set consists of 6 trackers and straps. You can buy additional trackers too. But from my experience, these 6 trackers are like the perfect amount for all VR games I have tested. I was not even into Blade and Sorcery before, till I found out about a full body and mixed reality sport. It is a totally different game now, 5 times more fun. And I do use it even as a fitness workout. Playing outside is so nice. I will link a dedicated video I have made about this earlier. Bonelab is another great example that got a full body support just a few months ago. Picking ammo boxes to open is so natural in this game. Even he likes it. Go back into VR chat, you little perv. So yeah, opening boxes and killing crabless. It's like this game has been designed for a full body setup. And these trackers are so easy to set up on Quest or Pico headset. First, such nice straps, adjust to your exact size ones, and they are so easy and quick to clip after. I have installed HaritoraX configurator. I will stand straight, tap a trigger on my controller a few times, and I'm ready to play. Such an easy setup. So much better than any calibration dances with Slime VR trackers. By the way, install SlimeTora mod, and these trackers will work with Slime software if you want all the nerdy, advanced tweaking and tuning options. I actually do prefer the simple HaritoraX configurator, just how easy it is to use, and tracking is really good. It got my body proportions and everything correct automatically. I have noticed I get better reset times with official software too. I need to reset only once every 30 minutes, instead every 15 minutes using the SlimeTora mod. And half an hour reset times are much longer than any Slime VR trackers I have used before, with both the cheap BMI and the most expensive B&O chip from the Slime store, not counting the newest and latest LSM6 DSV chip, the one that just came out a few months ago. And I actually do get better 45-minute resets using my newest trackers from Panda, but that's a whole new video that is coming soon. So to sum up, I really did enjoy using HaritoraX wireless set. I think it's one of the best full body options for the Quest and Pico users on the market right now, mainly because how well it works with those headsets and how easy it is to set up. Just make sure you have your room and floor level set correctly on your Quest to avoid any issues. And I have been using this USB dongle for PCVR. You need to buy the dongle separate. It gives you better range to cover the whole maximum 10 by 10 meters play space allowed on the Quest. And make sure to keep the dongle away from wireless keyboards and things like that. I have hanged it on my mic stand for this reason. Oh, and I almost forgot about the battery, as it lasts for 20 hours, so I have charged my trackers only once in the whole month. That's another very unique feature that might be very important for some users wanting to play long sessions throughout the whole day. Yeah, thanks for watching. Check the linked videos about the HaritoraX wireless set and subscribe for a Panda Trackers video next.